Hello, fellow friends. I know y'all don't want to see me. I know y'all want the laces right now. I know. Y'all want to know how to lace sixes, bro. I already know, bro. Y'all want to know how to lace it like this and have it at the bottom. I know. Y'all want to know how to lace it like this and have it hanging and put it right here. I know y'all want to. I know. So just stay tuned and click that sub button for me, you dig?
Ever since I was a kid, I wanna run up all these M's. I do it by myself cause I don't really need no friends. Wake up, chase this bag, ain't no sleep, do it again. All these niggas hating on me nowadays, it's just a trend. These bitches be fugazi, say they love you for pretend.
What's good, YouTube? It's KG Entertainment, and we back with another banger video. You feel me? You know the vibes already. We're not gonna make it too long. Like, comment, and subscribe if I helped you. You feel me? If this video helps you out, just all I want is a like, and then y'all go, y'all know. Alright, but for real. So I'm gonna teach y'all how to lace Jordan 6s. You feel me? I have a bunch of sneakers. I'm gonna just start doing sneaker videos because why not? Like, I got sneakers to do the sneaker video, so why not? Alright, so we got 2 ways to lace these 6s for you, and we're gonna start getting into it right now. Y'all want to know how to do it, so I'm gonna show y'all how to do it, and then that's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna do it, and we're gonna tie the shoes, and we're gonna tie the shoes because we cool. Alright, so first step, we got your laces, you feel me? We got the laces. We took the laces out. Alright, nah, but we took the laces out. So, just gonna show y'all how to make it go. This little piece is gonna be up here. And yeah, so first, make sure it's straight like this before you put it in. First, you're gonna do the right side. Just stick the hole in there, like from the outside. You're gonna stick the hole from in there. Gonna pull it up. Do the same with the other side. Alright. So once both of them are in there, you're just gonna make sure it's even. I can't do it straight up. Yeah, I could do it straight up like this. Just keep pulling it. I'm gonna keep pulling it to see when it matches evenly and it's straight like this. So once you got it straight like this, it goes in from the inside now. So now we're switching it from, you know how we put it in the inside, now we put it in the outside. I'm gonna keep doing that. I'm gonna keep doing the same process throughout. The whole thing is gonna be through the inside. It's not gonna change no more. So y'all can see it's in the inside and not the outside. Put it inside like that, and put it inside like this. And one trick I got for y'all too, one trick. Hold on. One trick I got for y'all while y'all lacing it. As you do it, like, do this to your shoe. Cause that's if you like it that way. Cause I like it that way. I like it loose, you feel me? So I like it better like that. So that's why when I go through it, I just loosen it up a little bit while I do it. So I just realized you gotta slow it down again so I could show y'all how to put the aglet on. So you just hold this little button piece right here. You see it like that, and you just put it on like this. I put it on when I hit the third one. So I put in the first one, I go cross. For the second one, cross. For the third one, and I put that on the fourth one. Actually, my fault. I put it on the fourth one. So I'm gonna do that. Put it through the hole like this. pull it. For the same thing for the other side, but just it's going in this part, like the other way, it's opposite. You just pull it like this and make sure it goes to the middle and straight for that part. Make sure your thing's not twisted either. After you finish putting this on, we're gonna push this lace through this hole right here that's at the bottom. I'll show you on the other side, but let me just put this in, and then we're gonna put it in here at the bottom. It's gonna be like diagonal, like this. As y'all can see the lace is like this. And then for this side as well, we're gonna put it in the bottom. You see that bottom hole right there? That's where we put in it. Make sure your shit ain't twisting either, bro. No cap, no kiss out. So for the same thing for the next side, you gotta do it on here too. Put it through the hole again. And it keeps going on the inside. It doesn't switch. Now I'm back with the finishing product. This is how it looks. It's how it's laced. You can either put it like hanging down like this. Like, this is how I put it in. I'm gonna show y'all. So at the end, I just put it hanging down. Just pull it down just a little bit, slight. No, you want it to hang, not stick up. But yeah, you can do it like that. Or in the next shoe, I'm gonna show you how you could do it the next way. So stay tuned. Get it? And let's get it now. We got the dead stock DMP6s, you feel me? This is how I'm gonna show you how to lace it. I'm gonna show you how to put it at the bottom and show you how to lace it this way instead of hanging it loose if you don't want to hang it loose, you feel me? So let's get straight into the goddamn thing. So as I previously said, first you start off by taking this out. Take the shoelace out. Alright, so next step for these, since you're gonna put it at the bottom, we're gonna start off with putting it on. So we're gonna put it on whatever side. This ain't the other one, so put it on the side that has the Jordan, whatever. And you gotta make sure it's in the middle. Like, you gotta hold these two together equally and just press on the button and keep pulling it until you get to the middle. See, straight in the middle. And these are equally together, so you know that you can start off and just remember, put it on the outside. And you could do it all the way till this reaches the middle. And do the same thing for the other side. And you could tell this is in the middle. And now same drill. Inside. This time I don't need to pause because I already put the aglet, or whatever you call this thing, the lace lock on. And guys, before I keep going on with this one, in this one, you know how I said you could put it in the bottom? You don't always have to put it in the bottom. So for this one, I'm gonna show you how you don't have to put it in the bottom. This is kind of for like when you want to hang it, and if I was to put it in this would have been longer, and it would have made it longer, like it would have been hanging longer, or I would have had to like tuck it in, and I didn't want to do that, so it's just an easier way to do it. So for this one, I'm gonna show you how to not do it. So first, you grab it, and you hit that second one, and you're about to go into the confused hole. The confused hole, I'm gonna call it too. Confused hole. You just put in the first one, and that's it. Just put it in like that, bro. You don't gotta put it in the bottom one. A lot of people wear it like that. It's type 5. You feel me? And I know my laces ain't straight, but this is how it should look. So now, same tradition. I'm gonna pull it up. Put it in the other side, but from the inside, same procedure. And now we're gonna insert it through this part, put it in here. Now we got the finishing product. I didn't tie it yet, but as y'all seen, I told y'all when you put it in here, it's not as long. Y'all see what I'm talking about now? So yeah, this one I wouldn't hang down because I'm gonna have to tuck it in here, and I'm not. So these ones, I just hold it like this, take my index finger, wrap it around, then stick my thumb in it, pause, and then put this part, wrap this part like this, and put it in, tie a knot. That's how you tie the knot. And you don't want to make it that long either, so I'm gonna pull these out. I'm gonna pull it out like this and loosen it up. But loosen it up evenly. And your shit should be spanking after that. See all day, yeah, day. So this is how you lace them. This is the finished product of the DMPs. I gotta fix them back because the laces are definitely not straight, but that's how you lace them. Remember what I said, as you're lacing it the loose way, you gotta pull it like this. If you don't want to, you don't got to. It could be like this one or this one. This one's the loose one. This one's the tight one. Sort of tight, loose. And yeah. Remember for this one, the shorter you want it, you gotta put it in this part. And the longer you want it, or you want to tie it, you gotta skip this part, this hole. You can't put it in this hole. Yeah. Why look like there's a hole right here? Oh, yeah. And whoever wears their 6s with it in the top hole, you're bugging and you don't need 6s. So, therefore, you dig. You know the vibes. That's it for the tutorial. It's probably hella long, but we did it. Alright, so if that helped, y'all know Cab. Comment down below, comment down more tutorials I should do, because if y'all want like another lace video, let me know, comment down below. Subscribe to the channel, give me the 300 subs. Give me the 300 subs, and we out here.
On the body, but I do not want her. Moment of silence for my niggas that ain't here with me. For them saluting, throw your bottoms in the air, nigga. Throw your bottoms in the air and take a shot at Hennessy and let it burn.